Imagine cruising down a quiet highway at sunset, the golden light bouncing off a sleek, vintage-inspired machine that looks straight out of a 1970s dream. But this isn't your average camper. This is a three-wheeled retro camper that's taking the internet by storm, a ride that blends old-school vibes with futuristic genius. And once you see what's inside, you'll realize it's not just transportation, it's a whole lifestyle on three wheels. From the outside, this camper looks like something James Bond would use on vacation. Its curvy, retro shell screams nostalgia, but under the skin, it's pure innovation. With a lightweight aerodynamic body and a unique tri-wheel design, it's built for both speed and efficiency. One wheel at the back, two up front, the balance is impeccable, and the control feels effortless, even on winding roads. It's small enough to park almost anywhere, yet big enough to feel like your own portable apartment. Now, wait till you see the inside, because this is where it gets jaw-dropping. Step through the rear hatch, and you're greeted by a cozy retro interior that feels like stepping into a time capsule, polished wood panels, soft ambient lighting, and a mini lounge area that turns into a full bed. Every inch has been designed to maximize space and comfort. There's a compact kitchenette with a hidden sink, a small fridge, and even storage tucked under the seats. It's like a tiny home fused with a classic car aesthetic, warm, inviting, and surprisingly high-tech. But here's the twist, this isn't just about looks. The engine is whisper quiet, fully electric in the latest version, offering a smooth ride and zero emissions. You can literally hear the world around you, the breeze, the birds, the hum of the open road. It runs on a smart battery system that can be charged through solar panels on the roof, giving you true off-grid freedom. Imagine parking near a lake, charging under the sun, and waking up to the reflection of your camper in the water. What makes this three-wheeled retro camper truly magical is how it captures that sense of freedom we've all been craving. It's not just about travel, it's about slowing down, exploring differently, and bringing back that charm of the old days with the comfort of tomorrow's tech. It's compact, sustainable, and stylish, and let's be honest, it turns heads wherever it goes. So next time you see a blur of chrome and cream rolling by, that might just be someone living your dream. The dream of minimalism, motion, and nostalgia all rolled into one. Because this isn't just a camper, it's a time machine on three wheels. And who wouldn't want to hit the road in something that looks like a vintage icon but drives like the future? Stay tuned, because this retro revolution is just getting started, and it's coming for your wanderlust.